Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biochemistry Concepts. This video is about ketolysis. It includes what is ketolysis and reactions of ketolysis. Coming to meaning of ketolysis, it is utilization of ketone bodies. Coming to the condition in which ketone bodies are utilized significantly. So in general, liver produces ketone bodies constantly, but their production becomes much more significant during fasting. So when ketone bodies are needed to provide energy to the peripheral tissues such as skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, renal cortex, brain, etc. So if glucose is not available, ketone bodies become the alternate source of energy. All the peripheral tissues, they can utilize ketone bodies as source of energy, but liver and RBCs, they cannot utilize ketone bodies. Now coming to the reason, liver cannot utilize ketone bodies even though ketone bodies are synthesized in the liver. Reason for this is there is one enzyme called as thiophorase which is required for the conversion of acetoacetate to acetoacetyl-CoA. So this particular enzyme thiophorase is not present in the liver. So as liver lacks this thiophorase, liver cannot utilize the ketone bodies. So red blood cells cannot utilize ketone bodies because they lack mitochondria. Coming to transport of ketone bodies after their synthesis in the liver, so they can be transported from the liver to the peripheral tissues because these ketone bodies are water soluble, so they can be transported in the blood. Because of this, ketone bodies, they do not require help of any transporter. Coming to reactions of ketolysis, so whenever the energy is required from the ketone bodies, they are subjected to this ketolysis. So beta hydroxybutyrate can be converted into acetoacetate by the action of enzyme beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. So in this reaction, the coenzyme NAD+ is reduced to NADH. Now the acetoacetate, which is formed from the beta hydroxybutyrate, or acetoacetate which is formed during the ketogenesis, is now activated to acetoacetyl-CoA. So now this activation includes the addition of coenzyme A to acetoacetate, and the supplier or the source of this coenzyme A is succinyl-CoA, which is supplied by the TCA cycle. So succinyl-CoA donates coenzyme A, which is required for the activation of acetoacetate, and this reaction is catalyzed by thiophorase. Now acetoacetyl-CoA, which is formed in this reaction, is converted into two molecules of acetyl-CoA by the action of enzyme thiolase. So this reaction requires coenzyme A so that acetoacetyl-CoA can be converted into two molecules of acetyl-CoA. And these acetyl-CoAs, they enter into TCA cycle and they are oxidized in the TCA cycle to produce energy.